Alright, hello guys and welcome back to another class of our course about learning Excel for data analysis. So until now we did 3 projects to help you out understanding how to do some data analysis with Excel. The first one was about population analysis, so we did a complete population analysis. The second one was about evaluating a stock, so we did a complete evaluation of a stock, and in this case we didn't use random values. And the last project was creating a basic movie suggestions program. So once again, I think personally that until now you have all the knowledge to be able to create this last app. The last project will be the creation of a HR management app. So in this case, what we will have to do is we will have our database. So you'll see it's a very small and basic database of employees. From this database, our goal will be to create a schedule, to create a dashboard, and to generate paychecks to those people. So we'll work the exact same way. We will create at first a database, then we'll set goals for our project, and finally we'll start the creation part, and at the end you will be able to have a nice Excel app. Alright, so let's start. So as I said, the first thing we want to do here is to create our database. So as I said, it's going to be a very simple database. The first thing we want, the people that we will use in our database will be sellers. So we need our seller's ID. So that's the first thing. And you can generate a number from 1 to 10. So simply number from 1 to 10. And after that, the next thing that we will need to do is give all those people a name. So once again, the name that you can give them, it's up to you. It doesn't matter. Next thing, social insurance number. This, in this case, will be used to be able to give people away, it's the number for taxes, so it's for tax purposes. And this way people will be able to get paid. So normally in Canada, that's how it works. You need a social insurance number to be able to work. I don't know how it works in other countries. Once again, we'll not really use it. It's just for formal things, and we will put it in at the end on our paychecks. All right. Next thing, we want to know if the person works part-time or full-time, which is once again very important. So how will we do this? In this case, it's not gonna be very complicated. We'll simply add the numbers who are 0 and 1, and we'll use a if function. So write down rand between 1 and 2. So what's gonna happen here, Excel will generate a random number between 1 and 2, and we'll use a if function to randomly select a number between those. So it's gonna be if this value equals to 1, we want Excel to generate part-time. If not, we want Excel to generate full-time. Alright, so as you can see, we have our basic function that works. So we have a lot of part-times and a lot of full-times. After that, next thing will be to generate a hourly rate. So how much the person will be paid per hour. In this case, we'll generate a rate that will be between $15 and $25, which is fair. If you want to put more, you can put more. If you want to put less, you can put less. So simply write down a rate between 15 and 25. So we have our wages for our employees here. But our employees will not only receive a wage, they will also receive a commission to be able to receive a better wage. So in this case, the commission will be between 10 and 20%. So how will we calculate this? Very simple. Simply write down rand between. So once again, it's going to be a random number between 10 and 20. And as you can see, we receive a big number like this. So what exactly we will have to do is very simple. We'll multiply it by 0.01. So right now we have a number that makes more sense. So if I'll show you why, as you can see, 16% in Excel is 0.16. So if you want to put it in percentage, well, you have 16%, which makes a lot of sense. So that's our database. As you can see, it's something that is very, very simple. We only have the hourly wage, the commission, and the IDs. That's all we'll need. Don't forget to add the names, so it could be any names that you want or any random names, and social insurance numbers. So that's it for this course, guys, and see you all in our next class where we are gonna set goals for our app.